Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the iPhone X and how to take the screen apart and the motherboard apart. So let's begin with the bottom screws. Quite big screws. Then you can quite good strong frame. The connections are here, the flex for the screen, so need to be careful and open this way. And then you need to remove all these screws. They are all different sizes. Yeah, then another three screws here. They're different sizes. Now this one, the battery first. This is the battery. This one is for the screen, and this one also for the screen, and this one for the speaker on the front. Need to disconnect. Oh, not this one, this one here. Screen is disconnected. Now the rest I'm gonna disconnect other things as well. This one here, this one is for the charging. Other one here, you need to disconnect all the ribbons. Here this one, and these. It's very easy to remove the motherboard from this iPhone X. Now you can take the camera out easily from here if you want. This one is for the flash, and now I got this screw here to open. And then pull this one a bit. And this connector here. Now you can take the motherboard out very easily. Yeah, this is all. So now this is the battery connection, the charging here, and these are the heat absorbent, so you cannot feel the heat on the back. This is all, guys. Tell me how you like the video, and please subscribe, leave comments. Thank you very much. Bye.